In this session we are going to discuss AWS organization, total cost of ownership, and how to calculate the AWS pricing. So AWS organization helps the user to centrally manage and govern the environment as the user grow or scale the AWS resources. So depending upon their usage or expand of the use, they can centrally govern and manage it. What are the benefit? Quickly scale the workload, provide custom environments for different workload, centrally secure and audit your environment across accounts. So how it works? So this is the AWS organization. It centrally control all these activities starting from creation of the account. New account can be created. It may be a root account or it may be any IAM user account. It helps in adding new account to the existing account. Also, it helps in creating group accounts. Group account for the organization applies policy. Different service control policies can be applied to group account, or the policies can be applied to the individual accounts also, and enable AWS services. So AWS services can be integrated with this group account. For example, suppose we have different users, user 1, user 2, user 3, number of users are there. If we do not allow to access all the services to all the users like user 1, user 2, user 3, then they cannot able to access it. And we can restrict also. Let's say user 1 has some limited use of the resources, user 2 can able to access different services, user 3 can able to access different services. So categorically we can restrict the use of AWS resources and services to number of users, or we can allow or integrate all services of AWS to all accounts. So root account has all accessibility, but IAM user account needs to configure depending upon the permission or depending upon their accessibility role or accessibility level. They are going to access the different services. So the root user can restrict the IAM user to access a particular account. Next, TCO. TCO stands for total cost of ownership. So whenever we are using any of the service or resource in AWS, the cost is being calculated. Some services are under free tier eligibility, some are paid services. So AWS pricing calculator, which is a web-based service that create cost estimation for AWS use cases. Similarly, Migration Evaluator is a complementary service to create data-driven business cases for AWS cloud planning and migration. So whenever we are trying to migrate services or databases or resources from one account to another account, from one location to another location, or from one institution to another institution, at that time we need the migration evaluator. How much cost needed to migrate the database, all these things need to be calculated, and pricing is basically used to calculate the AWS service fees, the charges associated with the use of services.